Hello everyone, it's 7th October today. It's 5:50 in the morning and welcome to my first ever cyclo vlog. Well, the weekend is almost near. अभी लास्ट 2-3 वीक से ज़्यादा साइकिलिंग नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ मैं बिकॉज ऑफ माई वर्क इश्यूज़. आज भी बहुत दिनों बाद मैंने कैमरा हाथ में उठाया है. मनीष, माई फ्रेंड एंड आई हैव प्लान टू गो टू काइंड ऑफ अ फोटो शूट और अ वीडियो और अ व्लॉग शूट एट आर्ट रिक्शा कोलकाता. It is near Gariyahat. Manish has always been with me during my East Endurance rides. During my most of the rides, Manish has always been with me, and he'll be coming to my vlog for the first time. So let's see how it goes. Well, I'm just about to reach Rajbihari crossing. This is the first time that I'm carrying a DSLR with me. But while riding my bicycle, I'm not using the DSLR because I'm not used to it. And I'll be vlogging with my phone during the ride. इसमें थोड़ा ऑडियो क्वालिटी इश्यूज हो सकता है. अभी तो ऐसे काफ़ी ट्रैफिक वगैरह कुछ ऐसे है नहीं, बट स्टिल crossing the tram tracks, the nightmare. Reached Gariyahat and waiting up for Manish. I just pinged him and he's on his way, so we'll have to wait here for a bit. आज Strava का average game नहीं खेल पाएंगे. Today is not a training ride, not a long ride, not an endurance ride, and today it will be a fun ride. आज 12 से 15 के बीच में एवरेज कैलकुलेट होगा आई गेस. एंड ऐसे भी स्ट्रावा का एवरेज गेम आप कोलकाता की ट्रैफिक में नहीं खेल सकते. घर पहुंचते पहुंचते या घर से निकलते निकलते आपका एवरेज डाउन हो ही जाएगा. सो आई एम मोर इनटू किलोमीटर्स क्लॉकिंग देन प्लेइंग द एवरेज गेम. सो फाइनली मेरे ब्लॉग में फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैव मनीष विथ मी.
Yo, hello.
So let's head to Art Kolkata.
चलो.
Let's go.
You lead the way, bro.
हाँ, I just took the Google Map section. इधर से लेफ्ट जाके कोई सेक्शन है, अपने
अच्छा.
फॉलो कर लेते हैं.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So finally we have reached Art Rickshaw Kolkata. Obviously we won't be able to go inside. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. So we have just come to click some pictures over here. Let's see how the cinematic shots and the photos come along. So we have one more cyclist over here. What's your name, bro?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya. Are you in CNG?
Yes.
You're in CNG. Cool. Let's take some photos of yours. So we got some amazing pictures and video shots over here at Art Rickshaw Kolkata, and I'm sure that अंदर भी बहुत सारी ऐसी आर्टफुल चीज़ें होंगी that we would be able to explore if we come sometime in the day. So आज उतने ज़्यादा किलोमीटर्स क्लॉक नहीं हुए. So what we'll do is clock some kilometers and then go back to UDP for some filter coffee and then disperse. So let's go. This Sunday Kolkata is going to witness history. and I guess around 80 plus riders are going to join a Century ride, which will be starting from Bypass Dhaba, and it will go up till Nabanna Hotel just before Singur. Just drop down a comment if you want to know the route, and there are no registration charges. I am 90% sure if I will be able to make it or not, and you'll see on my Instagram if I make it or not. But Kolkata is going to witness a history. So as you can see, just reached Udupi, and this is the cyclist Mecca after the ride.
लोकेशन अब ये कि ट्रैफिक वाज गोइंग बाय 6.
So we just have some, I had tea and Manish had coffee, and this is a cyclist Mecca, and almost every alternate day we come here and have some coffee and tea. So with this I will end this vlog over here, and see you soon in the next one. Me and Manish signing off. Hope you like the vlog. Well, this is for the people who are still missing puchkas due to the lockdown.